second day streaming live. So in these streams, we ask questions, then I'll be able to answer you. Then we learn some things from Forex. Since it starts day to day, we shall analyze few pairs, and then I teach you guys the next thing that is there in Forex that you need to learn, which is a key aspect in trading. So it's what we are going to do here. You will be able to ask me questions and I'll be able to answer you. Plus, we shall learn also other things in trading. So we don't only trade here, but we learn also. So it's still mentorship, which is free. I don't charge for this. What I just need from you guys is subscribing to my channel, share it and give it a like, comment what you think about the videos, all that. So that is what I just want from you guys only. So in today's live, we shall talk about something that is crucial, which is demand and supply. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you guys about demand and supply, what it is, how to use it, how to spot the demand zones, supply zones in the market. So all that is what we are going to learn in this. So I'm going to share my screen for now. Drop those questions there. The question that you want to ask me, you can drop it and I'll be able to answer you. So just drop, I'll be able to answer you. And first bring the charts here, then we begin. So be able to ask any question that you feel like about Forex or vlogging, those kind of videos, if I should continue doing them, all that. So if you want me to continue doing such videos of recording, then comment below, let me know guys. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, we want to hit 2K subscribers. Let's hit 2K subscribers. So I have links also there on the description. Be able to tap on them, join them and let's interact. That is my Discord, X, which is Twitter, Telegram. So be able to join that Telegram there. There are some people also, pro traders are there in that channel. So you'll be able to interact, exchange ideas, all that. So it's why I created that group for signals and interacting with each other, with other traders. Guys, ask questions. Anything that you want to learn in trading, so let me know. I'm going to be able to assist you with it, or I'm going to be able to teach you. That is what it is. So you just subscribe to my channel, wait for the things that I'll be dropping. If you want me to continue with the lives that I'll be doing each and every day, then drop that comment. Let me know if you want me to do that. Let me know. Let me know. So guys, ask the questions. I'm going to be able to answer. So we have just taken 4 minutes in the live. So we still have more minutes to go in learning that demand and the supply, how to spot the supply zone, the demand zone. So let me just bring the charts without wasting time, guys. Let me just bring the charts without wasting time. So it's trading view. Oh, you guys want deriv? Which one do you want? Deriv or forex pairs? Which one? Which one? Which one? All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, so here are the charts. I'm going to turn the screen or the back of the camera so that you guys can be able to see what is here. So it's what I'm going to do right now. So I hope you guys are seeing the charts clearly. So this is our pair for today that we are putting emphasis on, which is GBP JPY. GBP JPY. The great stroke United stroke United States dollar, which is USD in short. So this is so guys, we are beginning now our lessons, which is demand and supply. So this is what we are looking for, or we are looking after. So I'm going to explain what demand is, then I'll show you in the chart on the charts here. So demand, as I said yesterday, is an area where there's a big momentum to the upside. Which what I mean by the upside is this. This is what I mean by upside. So this is what I mean. What I mean. This is going to be your demand. Then this is. So I'm just going to be showing here and then talking here, explaining for you guys. I talk and then I show on the chart. So simply demand is an area where there's a massive push or with a volume to the upside. That is demand. Then for the supply now, it's where there is a light momentum to the downside, meaning we are in a downtrend. That is what supply is. So let me first finish with the demand, then we go for supply also. So I'm first writing them down, then I show you guys how it is, how to find the demand zones and the supply zones, all those. Just kindly subscribe guys to my channel, subscribe and share the video or the live. Also subscribe and share the live, as I'm going to be doing lives every night for you, teaching you guys, which is free mentorship that I'll be offering for you. So I'm going to show you here what demand is now. So these are the demand zones. As you see, this is a push. This is a push. Have you guys seen? This is a massive push now to the upside, meaning this is our demand zone. And what do we do in the demand zones? In the demand zone, we buy. Then if it is a supply zone, we sell. So this is another demand zone, another demand zone. Meaning if you bought from this demand, meaning you will add on other entries from here. You add on other entries from the second demand zone, which is this. So this is a strong zone. As you see, this rejection here, it just tapped on the demand, on the second demand, and now we push to the upside, meaning this is strong. It can't come back and break this demand zone, so we shall just go up like this. So this is how you spot the demand zones. Now I'm going to show you guys in the live charts also before going for the supply. So I'm going to show you guys in the live chat. So this is clearly a demand zone. This, as you see, this push. So these are the demand areas from the live chat. So I'm going to spot others, then I'll show you guys how to spot them also. So let me first mark them out, then I'll show you. So once you are trading demand and supply, which is a separate strategy, you can combine it with other strategies that you know, then you will be perfect. Being perfect in Forex means you should be making steady profits and not steady losses, but steady profits. Be able to make steady profits and then you will call yourself a pro in trading. But don't over combine strategies. Stick to one strategy, first master it, then earn some money and go to the next if you want to change. If that strategy is working for you, stick to it. Don't change the systems. Changing systems isn't also good. So you just need to stick to one strategy. That means same system that you should be consistent in. Consistently making profits. That is what it means, being in the system. Making money in Forex isn't just a one night stand that you just get up, say I'm going to trade and then you make money. No, guys. It doesn't happen like that. So you just need to stick to one system, that is one strategy. Of which I told you guys the trend line strategy, the break and retest. If you stick to that one, then you will be making money. But changing strategies over and over, it isn't good, guys. So just stick to one that I'm going to give you, like I gave you break and retest. So now I'm giving you the demand and supply, of which you should stick to it also, then you will continue making money. So this is how you spot them. This is a demand zone, meaning this is a push. Even if the trend comes back or the trade comes back, pulls here, then it will tap in this demand zone, meaning we shall continue buying from here. If it taps in this demand zone, this is a demand zone. As you see here, multiple rejections to the upside, meaning this is your demand now, of which it will become stronger once it comes back here, then it taps, meaning this is going to be a powerful one, of which you will be adding entries once it pushes back here, meaning this is going to become a zone. Let me say I draw this. Once we draw this, so we should just wait for other confirmations. Let's say this is going to be your zone. So once this is your zone, what you will wait for now is this to happen. This needs to happen in order for you to add more entries in the trades that you took from this demand zone. So you will wait for it to come here, then taps and it goes up to the upside. So this is what you need here in the market. But you should not note this also. You should note that the market can also do this. Let's say this was your demand, then the market can play with you around. It comes here, then it drops, meaning if it breaks this demand zone, what are you going to wait for? You will wait for it to retest here and then you sell, meaning this is going to be your supply if there is a big momentum or volume here. So this is going to be your supply, and in supply we sell. So you will sell from here, of which if it breaks this, you wait for a retest here, then you continue to the demand here. So this is all about the demand. So tomorrow I think we shall continue with the supply for now. So tomorrow we shall do the supply. Now we are done with the demand. So if you haven't, if you aren't here earlier, so just watch the video again after, then you will be able to get. Or if you don't get, just join the group there, the Telegram group, and then we shall share the ideas from there, as there are some people also in the group that share ideas. So just kindly tap on those links on my description, join and let's interact. Cause I don't charge any money. I don't charge any money. Cause why should you charge when you make when you make for yourself also money? So I don't see it what valuable to charge people when you make money also. But you should stay careful, as there are many scammers that claim to be mentors. So being careful is paramount in trading. If you are not careful and careless, then you'll be able to be losing your money like that. So one thing I want to show you guys here also is, let me look for a zone. Or I begin the supply, then I complete it tomorrow at the same time. So I'm going to begin with the supply. Let me clear all the charts. So this is it. So I'm going to clear and we begin with the introduction of the supply. So supply simply is a massive push to the downside. This is what it means. So any area that you see on your chart with a big momentum or the volume, if you see that it's high, that is the supply area, of which in the supply area we sell. We don't buy from the supply area. So you sell from there, meaning that is going to be your resistance. From resistance you sell also. You don't buy from resistance. So that supply is the same as resistance. Demand is the same as support. So they are all the same. They are all the same. So guys, just like the live, please like it, double tap just to like, and then share also, let others join. Thank you for doing that. So as I said, supply is a massive push to the downside. So these are simple terms that I'm using for you guys to understand, because Forex isn't meant to be complicated. Those who complicate it are those who want money from you. If someone doesn't want to complicate things, then they will make it easy for you or easier for you. Those who complicate are those people that you call your mentors, of which in the long run they want money from you. That is, so people are different. There are some that want to complicate forex, make it harder for you, so that you spend your money. Those are the people that complicate things in forex. But forex is easy. It's only the mentors that complicate in order to get money from you. So as I said, supply is a massive push to the downside. In simple terms, that is very easy for you to understand. So that is supply. I'm going to illustrate for you here. So now the movement of supply, how does it move, and how do you how do you spot it on your charts? So it's simple. Let's say the trend is to the downside. Higher highs and higher lows. Let's say this is your chart now. In supply, you will find higher highs and higher lows. In the demand, you will find higher highs and higher lows, like that. Meaning we are going up now in the demand. In the demand, we buy. In the supply, we sell. So that is the difference in that. So once you see this push here, it means it's your supply. Once you see such a push, so this is going to become our supply area, where you see a big push, meaning this is a big push. This, guys, this is a big push. Have you seen from this zone? So it pushed to this side. Once it retests, if you have a zone here and it retests, then you'll be able to buy or to sell once it breaks it. So this is the illustration. Now I'm about to show you in the live charts. So I'm going to show you in the live charts, and we see what supply is. So I've just seen here a big push also. Please kindly subscribe, double tap the screen to like and share the live. Then we shall meet tomorrow at the same time, learning. As I'll be doing learning, then some signals. If you guys request for them, then I'll be giving live signals so that we trade. I simply trade synthetics, forex pairs, all those that you know I trade them. So we are going to draw here our supply. This is a zone. As you see, this is a push that I was talking about or talking of. Have you seen from this? So this can also be your order block, which you see here. An order block from up here is simply the last bullish candlestick. As you see, this green one here. So this is your last bullish candlestick, which is going to be the order block now. Then from down here, this is going to be your bullish order block. This is an order block here, right here, of which it's going to be a zone also, of which it's going to be a zone. Guys, kindly subscribe and double tap the screen, guys, please. As I will be teaching you guys, this is all free. I don't charge anything. So just be able to connect with me via those links on my description. I have my X account, my Discord, and my Telegram, which is a discussion group. That is where we share our ideas from. That is where we share ideas from. Thanks to the person that has liked. So let me first check something here, guys, then we continue with our thing. Let me check something. Forex should not be complicated, it should be made simple, of which I'm going to be doing for you guys. I'm going to make it very simple so that each and everyone understands it. I'll make sure I make it easier for you guys to understand it. You guys can be free to ask me any question. I'm going to answer you. Just I'm going to show you examples also on the chat. Anything that you request, I'm going to do it for you guys. Giving you signals, answering your questions, all those, I'm going to do it. So just double tap the screen, like it, and share. I'm going to make Forex easier for you to understand. I'll make it easier for you to understand. Ask me any question, I'm going to be able to answer you. Someone commented here. Let me see. Genius at Emma, some funding. So you want to fund your account? Emma, guys, double tap the screen to like the live. So I'm first checking something here, then we continue. So let me just take you guys back to the charts. I'm going to take you back to the charts and we continue. So as I was saying, spotting the supply zones. So here we shall spot the supply zone here. So this is the introduction part of the supply. Then tomorrow we shall continue. So this is your supply. Now let me show you. So this is your supply as I explained it. Let me mark it out. So this area here, from here to the low. So this is the high now. This is your high. Then this is going to be your low. Because this is the last bearish candlestick that you see in the middle here. This is the last bearish candlestick. So as you see this massive drop here, this is your supply now from here to this side. So this is simply supply. And how do you trade supply? How do you trade supply? In trading supply, you have to combine it with other strategies that you know. You just have to combine it with your strategies that you know. So once you combine them, you will get this. So this is a zone now. It's a supply zone. This is a supply zone. And in the supply zones, we sell from those areas. We don't buy from supply zones. We sell from them. In tomorrow's live, we shall talk about confirmations. We shall talk about confirmations and other things that you guys... Okay, let me know in the comment section. What do you guys want to learn? What do you want to learn? Let me see in the comment section. As I see 7 viewers, as you guys are 7 watching me right now. So let me know what you guys want to learn. Let me know in the comment section. No one is asking any question. What do you guys want me to teach you or to learn in trading? Let me see, so that I make it tomorrow's topic and we learn it. Let me see in the comment section. All right, there are no questions. So let's continue spotting the supply zones. we continue spotting the supply zone. This is a supply zone also. So from here, this is your supply zone, and this is going to be your starting zone for the demand. So this is your demand zone. All right, I see Leslie, other blocks would be nice. Yeah, okay, that is noted. It's noted. It's noted. I'm going to be able to teach you guys. I'm going to be able to teach you. For me, I make everything simple for someone to understand. So I'm going to take it slow. Tomorrow's tomorrow's topic is going to be order block and other things. So it's noted already. Which other thing that do you guys want to learn? As I see Leslie is saying order blocks. So what else? So as we were supporting or spotting, this is a supply zone also. This from here to this side, this is supply here, meaning this is going to be your zone. This is your demand. As I said, demand is a massive push to the upside. Supply is the massive push to the downside. It's as simple as that. So let's check on other pairs like gold. Let's check on other pairs like gold. As you guys see how the market is playing around with people here. So in this kind of market, it needs you to have much capital now. You should be having money in order to hold this, because this is 24 hours, which is one day, as you see up here. So it needs you to be having much capital in order to hold such trades. If you have $10, $20, then you won't be able to hold this. But in synthetics, you can make magic. You can't make magic on gold. Yeah, so guys, and I have a bot here also. I think I made a live about it the other time. So let you wait, I first take it back. I show you guys how it is. So I tested it here the other time. Let's see if it's the one here. Yeah. Yeah, so this was my bot, guys. This here is where you start and then stop the bot. Start and stop. Then here you will see if you want to trade both trends. As you see here, trend, it's saying both. But here you can change it to either sell or buy. As you see, trend, buy only. So once you turn on this, you just say lock signal. If you are going for buys, you just lock here. So that the bot continues buying in this. Then this is auto. In manual here, you will be able to close for yourself. Then from here, if you tap on it again, then the bot is going to be trading and closing for you. So this is how it is. Here I don't have any money in, but this bot here can flip from $10 beginning from there. But it's better in raw spreads. In raw spreads, it's better. So guys, this is what I had for you guys in today's live. So we shall be able to meet tomorrow again, and we learn other things, other new things. There was someone who asked also about the candlesticks. That is the introduction part of trading, of which I will do also. I'll be able to help anyone. Just for me, I help each and everyone. So guys, allow me to end the video from here, and we meet tomorrow again. So tomorrow's topic, if you are to do the live, it's going to be all about order blocks. Then some part of, I did not finish supply, so tomorrow we shall finish it. Then order block and other things. So guys, see you tomorrow at the same time. Subscribe and just share. Bring your friends in and we learn together. So see